Hello, Namaste. My name is Dr. Gaurav Agrawal. I'm the astrology instructor at AstroSchool by Indian Pharmacy Institute. In this video, I will explain you by a real life example how we can check if somebody can have defective hearing. For this, we are taking a real life example and we will apply the KP astrology rule and find out if the horoscope suggests defective hearing. Let me tell you, the child is already suffering from hearing problems. So chart is real and problem is already there. We just want to apply the KP astrology rule for understanding it. After the video, if you like it, if you find it informative, it gives you some serious learning, you should like the video and subscribe our channel so that you can get all these videos again and again in your feed. So let's go. So here is the chart. It's a natal chart, birth chart. The child is born on 1st of March 2017, as you can see here. Birth time is in the morning 7:08 Mumbai. Chart is created by free website mykundali.com. Now here, third house talks about the hearing and hearing problem. Rule is very simple. Third house sublord should be connected with the 8th house and 12th house. And some connection should be there with the Mars. I will repeat it again. Third house should be connected with Mars and third house sublord should be connected with or signifying 8th house and 12th house. So let's see. You will check, go in the cuspal position table. People who are already aware of KP astrology, they will find this video easy. For others, it may be a bit advanced. So third house sublord here is Sun. And this Sun, we will check, is in the nakshatra of Rahu. Rahu is again working for Sun. So let's find out the signification. I'm writing it here. Sun in the nakshatra of Rahu. Rahu is working for Sun again. For the moment, we are not taking care of the aspect and other things. Now you can see Sun is directly sitting in the 12th house and ruling 6th house. Rahu is sitting in the 6th house and Rahu is working for 12. Rahu is working for Sun, sitting in 12. If you want to see further, go in the cuspal position table. Rahu is also the sublord of 8th house. So on the nakshatra level, we will also put 8th house for Rahu. So now you can see third house sublord Sun is signifying to all three bad houses: 6th house, 8th house, and 12th house. And now you want to see third house lord is Mars. Mars is ruling third house because third house falls in Aries. Look further. Third house lord Mars sitting in the second house, one house behind. So there are many combinations that are telling that this guy can be suffering from hearing problem, which is actually the case. For the moment, I was informed that this child can also not talk properly. So let's see that part of situation as well. For this, you need to see the second house. Second house should be connected with Rahu or Ketu, or in the nakshatra of Rahu Ketu. And these sublord Rahu Ketu should be falling in the water sign or mute sign, 4, 8, 12 sign. Second house sublord is Rahu. Rahu is in the nakshatra of Ketu. So Rahu in the nakshatra of Ketu, you want to check. Rahu is working for Sun in the 12th house. Ketu itself is sitting in 12th house. Rahu is sitting in 6. So now you will check. Rahu is sitting in the 5th sign. Ketu, the nakshatra lord, is sitting in the 11th sign. Sun is also sitting in 11th sign. There is no connection with mute sign 4, 8, 12. But Rahu, Ketu are connected. House number 6 and 12 are connected. Second house itself falls in the 12th sign Pisces, mute sign. But rule is not perfectly applicable because second house of Lord Rahu and its nakshatra Lord Ketu are not falling in the mute sign. So I told that this guy should be talking after some time. It may not be perfect, but he will start talking with the time, which was actually the case. I was informed this boy can speak a little bit, but hearing is definitely defective. So I believe with the time, speaking will improve. It may not be perfect because all the bad houses are connected, but hearing might be impaired. And for this, some other medical help can help the guy. I wish this child improves with the time, and I believe God Almighty will help him recover. I wish you find this video some useful and you might have learned it about the KP astrology. Please subscribe our channel for more of these kind of useful, informative videos. Namaste.